Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm not exactly doing a recipe, but I'm addressing something that I find trouble with. Maybe you do too. When I'm trying to stick to my new plant-based way of eating, and I open the fridge and I can't find something quick to eat, I end up wanting to eat something that I really shouldn't. So what I've done is I've put together a little bin in my fridge of just leftovers. And this little bin helps me to put together a quick sandwich lunch or a quick snack. I don't have to start cooking again. We all know that leftovers are a great thing to have in your fridge, but my little bin is something special. Enjoy this video.
So this is my secret, my little bin of little leftovers. During the week when I cut anything, open anything, and there's just a little bit left over, I set it aside and I put it in my little bin. It's great for snacks and for lunches on the go. Sometimes this bin has tomatoes, limes, apples, nuts, broccoli, leftover peppers, onions, and so forth. Today I'm going to use my little bin to make a lunch for myself. I'm making a plant-based sandwich. I'm using whole grain bread and I'm using some hummus. It's a nice spicy hummus. You can see the hot red peppers in the middle. It's good to always read your labels though when it comes to bread, hummus, and so forth, especially if you're doing heart healthy and you want to keep those fats low. I also find it's good to read the label on breads. Just because it says it's made with wheat doesn't necessarily mean that it's whole wheat or whole grain. I usually use a quarter of an avocado for my sandwiches. Let me show you how to cut from a whole avocado. First, I cut it in half. Give it a little twist and it will come apart very easily. Then I just take each half separately and cut that in half. And I end up with a quarter of an avocado, which is just perfect for a sandwich. It really feels like butter that has just come out of the fridge when you cut it. Very easy to handle once you have it in quarters. If I wanted to use the whole avocado, maybe making guacamole or something, you can take the pit out very easily. Just bang it with the knife, give it a twist, and out it comes. I usually leave the pit in there when I'm storing it. It helps to keep it green, and I just put it in a bag or a container to use it later. So back to my sandwich. Here was my little piece of avocado that was left over this week. So this is going on my sandwich today. And I'll save this quarter for later. Back in my little bin of leftovers. I had a piece of sweet red onion left over, so that will perk up my sandwich too. And now for my roasted red peppers, my favorite. I have a video on how to make roasted red peppers. You can take a look at that if you want to give it a try. They're delicious. They're packed with vitamin C, and I made these with no oil. I have some leftover spinach here too. I'll use a little of that, and I'll still have some left over to put back in my bin. Leftovers really do help me stay plant-based when it comes to lunchtime. Whatever John and I had for dinner the night before, we keep it on our leftover shelf in the fridge and always has something quick for lunch. Whether it's a sandwich from my little bin of leftovers or just leftovers from dinner the night before. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel where you'll find other tips, tricks, and recipes for eating and cooking whole grain plant-based. Thanks for watching.